Hi, my name is Karim. I'm the creator of Telegram Onboarding Kit. This project allows you to create beautiful onboardings and paywalls for your Telegram bots. Today, we'll create one, but first of all, let me show you a short demo. Recently, Telegram introduced mini apps to bots, which brought the full power of web applications to bots. And now you can create really stunning onboardings and paywalls to introduce the product to a user. It's a common practice in native mobile apps, so why not use it in Telegram? Here you can see the first slide with title and some description. Slides can handle different types of media, for example, images, animated Telegram stickers, even forms where a user can input something and then the bot will get this data. Videos, some lists where you can showcase your features. And actually almost everything you see on the slide is customizable. We also thought about a lot of things. For example, we provide a zero-cost and one-click deployment with GitHub pages. We thought about localization of language and currency, about haptic feedbacks on buttons, fast loading of the pages, and also we provide many examples and presets for a quick start. But actually, onboarding slides are not enough. You need a paywall, so let's go to it. Here you can see a paywall with some media as a Telegram sticker and some products. Let me choose the 1-month subscription. And here I can choose a payment method. I will go with Wallet Pay, a new Telegram payment method. First of all, we see that bot got data from the form. For example, number from form is 23. It's the exact thing that I entered. And also I have an invoice, which I can pay for. Okay, let me show you the second onboarding, which is more complex. It's an imaginary onboarding for AI app, which can redress people. We can tap the button and show how our product actually works. Let's make this guy to go some business and rave party. Okay. But for today, we'll create some simple onboarding as a tutorial for an imaginary VPN bot. On the first slide, we'll have this nice fish saying hello and thumbs ups, and title saying that my VPN is the best VPN in Telegram. Okay. Then we'll have a form where user can choose what use cases is important for him. For example, this one. And the slide with image where we can show that many people trust us. And also we'll build a paywall with these products. Now I'll go with a 1-year subscription and a bank card. Okay, that's it for a demo. Now let's build. So let's start. First of all, let's go to our GitHub page. Then click fork. And let's call our project VPN. After we created our fork, we are going to edit it, and I will use VS Code for it. Here we can just tap clone Git repository, put the link to our forked repo, and tap clone. Yes. All the code we are going to edit is located in app source subdirectory, and the only file we're going to edit is config.ts. It's actually a TypeScript, but it's more like a JSON where you can just enter your values and keep the structure and build the structure of your onboarding. As you remember, for our VPN onboarding, we need 3 slides. The first one is an intro slide with sticker, so we'll keep the slide. Next, as you remember, we have a form where user chooses the use cases of VPN. So let's put it as a second slide. So it's, you can see it's easy, like drag and drop the slide. And the last one is an image slide, where you can share that many people trust us with that image with hands. All other slides we don't really need, so let's delete it. Except maybe the paywall, because we'll also need it. So here we have 3 slides with sticker, with form, with image, and a paywall. And now we'll edit it to build our VPN onboarding. Let's start with the first slide. Let's edit its title. There was something like My VPN. The best VPN for you. Okay, thank you GitHub Copilot for after completing it. And also let's add some description, like get access to all the content. Okay. And also, as you can see here, slide supports media, and we are going to add sticker. And here we're adding duck sticker, but as you remember, there was a fish saying hello, and you can easily download any sticker from your Telegram desktop and put it to assets folder here. So here we have different stickers with ducks. I already downloaded the fish one. Fish hello. And let's just edit the file name. Okay, the first slide is ready. Let's go to the second one. Second one is about form, where you can ask your user why you're going to use the VPN. So let's put a title, why use VPN. We're not going to have a description here, but what we're going to have is a form with a checkbox. There are different types of form fields, like text and number, but what we're interested in is checkbox. So let's have checkbox. Let's have 3 of them. And the first one will be like protect your privacy. Second one, like access, block content, okay. And the last one will be the other. And here we also can edit the IDs, the ID names. For example, here let's call it privacy, security, okay. This one is other. And using these keys, after the user completes the onboarding, the bot receives all the data filled in the form, and you can change the behavior of your bot based on these filled forms. So you get these values in your bot. And also let's add another sticker to this slide, and we'll use fish sending you hearts, like fish love. Okay, love. Okay, and the last one is a simple slide with image, where we say that people trust us, and for example, there are 1 billion downloads of my VPN. And now we need to change our image. To change it, go to the assets image folder, put your image here. This one, it's called hands up. Let's just rename it hands up. And also it's the last slide, and we need to put special behavior to a button. We want this button to move us to a paywall. So here we choose content called next, or let's call it go to paywall. We'll call it paywall. It's just a technical case, technical stuff to assign special behavior to a button. Okay, and the last one is paywall. On a paywall, we are going to use a different sticker with a log. So let's put it here. We have a log, sorry. Put it to stickers directory. On the log. Let's call it like the title of onboarding of our paywall is on local features. And let's imagine some, for example, some like premium features. Okay, no, it's okay. Save GitHub Copilot. And also here we can configure our products. Well, let's not have this lifetime access. Let's just keep 1 month subscription and 1 year subscription. But also let's edit some prices. Let's be like $1 per month. Have this one with 50% discount. It will be like $6 per month. Here you can also configure our call to action button by for price, and also add links to our privacy policy and terms of use. Here we just use Google because it's our imaginary VPN. Now let's run our project to see that everything works. Start the terminal, install all the dependencies. Be sure that you need to install Node on your system beforehand to run it. And when the dependencies are installed, we can run our project with this command. Now we should see the browser with our onboarding. Yeah, nice. Here we have our form, the slide with image. Everything works. And also I want to show you that you can do live changes here. So for example, let's add one more item to our form. For example, online shopping. Let's call it online shopping. Okay. And without rerunning the command, we can see that now we have a new item. You can also notice that there is no next button here, as I showed in the very beginning. This button will appear only in Telegram bot because these buttons are Telegram natives from mini apps. And also we can't get to paywall here because you get to paywall with these buttons. But to test it, just go to this page. And here we can see our paywall with 2 products. Nice. But now the project is running locally and we need to deploy it to the internet. But we've already implemented for you a very easy and zero-cost deployment using GitHub pages. Now I'll show you how to do it. First, we need to go to our fork repository, go to settings, pages, and here choose GitHub Actions. And also in these actions, we need to say that we are ready that actions will gonna happen. And every time you make a commit to your repo, the deploy will start automatically. So here, let's commit our changes. VPN, commit and push. And now let's see what's going to happen. Here we can see our commit and this dot showing that deployment is running. Let's see the details. So it's setting everything up. Now it's finished and we can see our deployed page. So you go to your username, github.io/ the name of your repo. In our case, it's VPN. And we can see our onboarding live on the internet. All right, Now it's time to put our link to the bot. Let's create a new one. We'll go to bot fuzzer, then common new bot. We'll name it my VPN, and the username my VPN onboarding bot. All right, now we need to configure the menu button. Go to my bots, select bot sections, menu button, configure menu button, and here put our link. Let's call it onboarding. All right, now it's done. So let's go to a newly created bot. Ta-da! Here we see this magic button, onboarding. Let's launch it. Everything works great. And let's check the paywall. Nice. But for such implementation with a menu button, the payment generation, the invoice generation won't work. It should be implemented on a server, and you can find all the instructions on how to do it in our GitHub repo. So please visit it. And that's all for this tutorial. I hope it was helpful, and I'm really looking forward to see how many beautiful and great onboardings and paywalls can be created with a Telegram onboarding kit. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.